Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while. What's new? Nothing's new here, so yeah. So if you're wondering what I'm doing here, basically I've got a review. So I am trying to get back into the whole YouTube world. My excuse literally has been like that my brother's here and I don't really like recording when he's here. Amongst that, like I just don't have the time really. I just need to make time. I'm just lazy. But yeah, I just don't like filming when my brother's here, but he has gone away for like 7 months. So I do want to try and get into it again, because I've got all this makeup sat here like going out of date, so I may as well like start playing with it. But yeah, moving on, I'll explain that probably in my next video because this one is exciting. So if you're wondering why I'm looking a tiny bit crazy, it's literally because I'm reviewing something. You've probably heard me talk about this brand before on my channel. I do have a discount code with them, and no, it's not sponsored, it's not anything, it hasn't been sent to me, I bought it with my own money. Let's get that out of the way. So this brand is called Jolie Beauty. This is the first palette that I got of theirs. Now this one is the bomb.com palette, and look at them colours. So whenever I'm doing an eye look, this is my go-to palette. It's quite abused now. I do need to order like maybe another one soon, but literally the colours are just absolutely ridiculous. Like, they just stay on your eye so well. I'm just trying to swatch them for you. Like, look at that. That is so good. Normally you would have to like dip into some glue, then put the glitter on, and it's just an absolute mess. I do like the NYX ones, but they're just a mess. And like, when I found out about this brand, I literally died because I was just like, oh my god, yes. So besides that palette, they've got like quite a few things on the website. They do amazing lashes, but they're always sold out, so I'm not gonna have lashes on today. So Jolie, if you're watching, please send me some. The other products that you might know from here as well, because I've used it quite a lot, is this Uniglow elixir. So this is like a moisturiser as well as, it's a moisturiser as well as a primer basically, and for £16 it's infused with real 24 karat gold, vitamin C, vitamin A, great soda oil, hyaluronic acid. It's got everything you need in basically, so I live by this. I use it as a moisturiser when I'm not even wearing makeup, and it's just amazing. Anyway, getting into what this video is all about, they've come out with a brand new palette. This palette, I've been waiting for this for, I'd like to say maybe 2 months now. I did pre-order it and there was a slight problem. So when they basically wanted to like send it out, I think one of the batches actually got destroyed or dropped or something, so all the mirrors inside, oh shit, I just slipped up that it has got a mirror in this one, yes. So this one doesn't have a mirror, but the new one does. That's slipped out. So yeah, and basically like the mirrors all smashed and went into the glitters, so obviously they couldn't like send those out, so they've basically been waiting for this new batch, and they've recently sent it out. It's available on the website because it was on pre-order first, but it's available on the website I believe right now, and I think, just one sec. Jolie Beauty, You're on Fleek palette.
I don't have an answer for that.
Jolie Beauty, You're on Fleek palette.
Who, me?
What the fuck? Yes, so the palette is on the website at the moment to buy, not pre-order, and it's $27.99. And I'll put the code down here, but if you use code Ashman you get 10% off. Onto the palette, I'm gonna show you the palette. So this is the packaging. How gorgeous is that packaging? I prefer this colour packaging to the like rose gold one that they brought out, but this is the sleeve. So when you remove the sleeve, come on. When you remove the sleeve, the palette is exactly the same. The sleeve actually feels like really expensive. Like, it just feels really nice. So before I open this, one thing I am really bummed about is that when they sent the email out to say that it was like delayed and stuff, they actually said that you was gonna get a free, like a gift kind of thing, obviously to say sorry, but they actually haven't even sent one, and that was like over a month ago when they sent that email, so whether they've just forgot or something, I'm not too sure, but I don't know, that's the only thing that I'm like bummed about. I kind of did cheekily message them on Instagram asking for one of the other palettes, the Royal palette, but didn't get it. So yeah guys, this is the palette. Are you ready for this? Oh my god, you ready? You ready? You ready? Oh guys, this is the palette. It is literally, I'd say neutral heaven. It's got your warm tones galore, like oh my god. And then obviously your mirror. With this palette it comes with names as well. In this lighting in here I can see them because it's like white, but in my bedroom I couldn't see them. So I'll try and go through them all. Divinity, I think. Divinity, Tiara, Pixie, Blaze, Rust, Coco, Disco, Royalty, Babe, Ignite, Earthy and Night Sky, Tempting, Copper, Rose. The writings wrote off this, but I think it was maybe meant to say like Sanguini or some shit. Disorderly, Headbang, that's quite a cool name, Headbang. Afterglow, Elite or Elite, Cranberry, Amethyst, Grunge and Rock On. So they have all of the glitter shades names. So as I said, this retails for $27.99 and it's a UK based company in Birmingham. I wonder if they all talk Brummy. That'd be cool. So what I'm gonna do now is obviously I've like created like 2 different eye looks because I'm gonna use maybe 4 of the shades, maybe a little bit more. So on this eye I'm gonna be doing the golds. So I'm thinking Divinity, Tiara and maybe Headbang, I'm not too sure. And then on this eye, I think, hang on, I think it's Sanguini, I don't know what it is, but this one right here, it's like a ruby red. This is being called, I thought this one would call my name, but this one is like, giving me an orgy. One thing I like about this is it's got like dark colours as well. So if you're doing what I've done here, you can actually like put it on the outer corners of your eye. I think that's like really cool. And also, if you're like a bit more, I don't want to say emo-y because I think that's like, that trend's gone. But like, if you're into more of that kind of lifestyle, I don't know, I don't want to offend anyone. I used to be one in school, don't worry. I really like that because you can put these on your lids as well. So yeah, let's just crack on and get into it, shall we? So I've just zoomed you in a little bit like closer just so you can see. I might have to do like a bit more blending because I'm not sure if I've blended properly, but I don't really like this corner here. I think it's gone a little bit crazy. Okay, starting with this eye, I'm gonna be, I'm not sure what I want to do at all. I think what I want to do is maybe take Headbang, which is this, and put it like near, like in this bit here. And then I want to take Tiara, which is this one, and put that on my actual lid. And then I'm gonna take Divinity, which is this, oh my god, amazing colour, and I'm going to put that actually here, just so it melts in with my highlight. I haven't put highlighter on yet, but yeah. So let's just dive straight in. So starting with Headbang, in fact no, starting with Tiara, yeah. Before I do this, you can use a glue to make it like stick better, but I never do, and it like not necessarily stick better, but it like prolongs the longness of it. So say if you're going on a night out, I think it just like makes it stick there. Jolie Beauty do have I think it's a glitter glue. Yeah, glitter glue, because they've got like chunky glues and it's all made from plants. I forgot to say this is all made from vegan. Made from vegan? What are you on about, Adam? I'll tell you all the information at the end about this brand anyway. But basically, this palette is vegan, and also the glitter glue and everything like that, that's vegan as well. So let's just dive straight in, shall we? So yeah, taking Tiara, oh my god. I'm just gonna place it on my eye. What I like to do with these is place it on my eye, but then like kind of rub it a little bit, and I probably will get a little bit of fallout because it's glitter, but I didn't want to take my base, like I didn't want to do my base afterwards because I've been at work all day and I just slapped some more on. So if you can see that, it's giving me like an amazing glitter eye so far. I think if you put the glitter glue down, it would stick like a little bit more, but like you can like build this up, which is what I tend to do anyway. And then just take in headbang, and I'm gonna put that on the end. As you can tell as well, I'm growing my hair. I look like a mushroom. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. My viewfinder's like broke on my thing, but I hope you can see that because I'm literally obsessed. Ugh, I love these palettes. So just taking a tiny brush, I'm just dipping into Divinity. I hope I'm saying these right. To say that there was from the UK, I'm finding it hard to pronounce the names. Like I haven't even put glitter glue on there, look how well it's like staying. Oh, yes, that is perfect. Hey, I'm sorry if you can see my eyebrow hair as well, like I need to get them done, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to move on to this eye. So I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm thinking that I'm going to be taking this one, that Shine to be named, and I'm just going to put this all over the lid, and then I'm probably going to take Ignite and maybe put it at the bottom. But I think I might do Cranberry, which is like a pink. On this eye, I'm actually going to take a little bit of glitter glue and put that on and see if it makes a difference. Now with these glitters, you don't have to use your fingers. You can use a damp brush or a normal brush, but I just really just prefer using my fingers for these. I just feel as though it like gets in there more. Here we go. Oh my god, yes. I don't think that made much of a difference, but I kind of feel like it did. So I'm actually going to take a little bit of Ignite, which is this one here, and I'm just going to put that on top of it. That's a good thing about this palette and glitters, is that you can like layer them up to get different colours and effects. Now what I'm going to do is, I don't like how it's gone here. So I'm just taking the colour that was there previously and I'm just going to run it over. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying the video. So the glitter glue on, I think it was this eye or the eye, I'm not too sure, the red eye. I didn't really like the glitter glue, so basically what I'm posting this part for is basically, I just didn't like the glue. It wasn't the Jolie Beauty one, but I just wouldn't use glue anyway, apart from if I was going out. With me having hooded eyes, I just feel as though it transferred and it removed some of my eyeshadow, and I just didn't like it. I didn't like the outcome. The golden eye was amazing, and it wasn't the glitter that I hated, it was just the glue. But yeah, I hope you all saw that. Like, I just didn't like this eye, so yeah, just thought I'd put that out there. In fact, I don't like this bit here. Well, I do, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Night Sky, which is this like plumish colour, and I'm just gonna put that right in this inner corner here a bit. Okay, so doing that on the inner corner has helped it quite a lot. I think I've just went a little bit too ham on the dark colour on this side, and plus I'm not used to working with like vivid colours. I'm more used to doing goldens. Okay, but I just need to step out my comfort zone. So I think like this eye's a little bit too dark for me, so what I'm going to do is, like this side, I'm going to put a lighter colour under here, and I'm really drawn to Babe, which is this one, so I'm going to put that just there. Okay, I really like that. So I was thinking of actually using this shade Disco to put in my inner corners, or do I go in with highlight? Fuck it. So taking Disco, I'm just going to go in the inner corners. Holy shit, can you guys see that? I've got to zoom you in. Can you see that? Oh my god. Oh yes, I made a good decision. Now I don't know if to go in Disco with this eye or to go in with Pixie, which is this like pinky greeny colour. Fuck it, I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm not sure I like the green in it with this with this eye, but oh well. Okay, I'm not really sure about that colour because of the green, so I'm just gonna go in with this skirt on this eye. I'm obsessed. That inner corner is snatched. So I'm just gonna put mascara on now. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. So now I'll just tell you like a little bit of information. So basically Jolie Beauty was created by like makeup artists, like highly trained makeup artists, like they've worked in MAC, Alaska, Estee Lauder. I'm reading this off nothing. I should know this really. Basically, like they want to create like decent products, well, good, amazing product, not cheap, but like a consumer-friendly price. Because obviously, like MAC and stuff is amazing, and so is like Estee Lauder and stuff, but they are like pretty expensive. And basically, they're aiming to be vegan, like cruelty-free, which they are. Like on the back of it, it does say that they're vegan. I think all of the products are vegan, and the best bit is as well that they're a UK company. So obviously to me that's amazing because I'm supporting a UK company. They do ship internationally, I believe, to most places. But yeah, that's pretty much like most of the information. If you do want to read more, I'll leave the link in the description box, because they are an amazing brand. I've been standing by them ever since the bomb.com palette. I know that's probably late for them, but I've just been such a supporter. I believe in everything what they're doing. I love the products. The palettes are just amazing. I am actually planning on doing like a bulk order at the end of the month, and I will be doing like another review on them, on like just like the matte shadows. What else have I? I've got a lipstick in there because I think all the others are sold out. I do want to try the lashes. I've got some glitters, like individual glitters, like chunky glitter, which I'm going to try as well because they're made out of plants and it's biodegradable. So yeah, and also my discount code, I will be leaving that in the description box if you do want to use it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've bloody enjoyed making this video, and I'm ready for my close-up.